So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you want to type in sfc /scan now. And then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. Now once the scan's running, you want to head over to search again and type in CMD again. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you want to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter. And now you just want to run both these scans in the background as you complete the next steps in the video. So you can just minimize both of these. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you run this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you run this, you want to expand display adapters. And then you want to find your graphics card. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure they have the best drivers for your device installed. Now once you complete all the steps in the video and both these scans have been completed, then you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.